Hello everyone. Last lecture you start the new point that is the sale of drug. In that you see about the sale and what is a wholesale in detail about wholesale of a drug. Sale is the process of passes of any article from the manufacturer to the consumer, and wholesale is the a dealer or agent to stockists who appointed by the manufacturer or the importer for the sale of his drug to the retailer. In that you see about two types: farm shop, from the motor vehicle. Farm shop you see about the license for wholesale of drug other than those specified in schedule C and C1 and schedule X, and also the license for wholesale of drug specified in schedule C and C1 but excluding schedule X, and license for wholesale of drug specified in schedule X. Also, you see about from motor vehicle license from wholesale of drug those specified in schedule C and C1, license for wholesale of drug other than those specified in schedule C and C1. These are you see about in last lecture. Today directly go to the next point, that is a retail sale. Two types of licenses are issued in retail sale. First is the general sale and second is the restricted license. What is a general sale and what are the conditions required for general sale of a drug? In that general sale, these license are granted to person who have permission premise for business and who was engaged in the service of qualified person. You know about qualified person to supervise the sale of the drug and to compounding and dispensing, that is the general sale. License for retail sale of a drug other than those are specified in Schedule C and C1 and Schedule X are issued in the form number 20. Also, the license for retail sale of a drug specified in Schedule C and C1 but excluding Schedule X are issued in form number 21, and license for retail sale of a drug specified in Schedule X are issued in form number 20F. These are the requirement for the retail sale, license required for retail sale. Retail general sale, these license are granted to the person who also permission premises for the business and who was engaged in service of qualified person. Now, the general sale condition of a sale of a drug, in that the license should be displayed in prominent place, open to the public. The general license should be compliant with the provision of the Drug and Cosmetics 1940 and Rule 1945. Any changes in the qualified staff in charge should be reported by the license to LA within one. Any change are required in staff members of qualified person, you will be reported to the LA within the 1 month. Drug should be purchased only from the duly licensed or dealer or manufacturer, and the any change in the constitution of the firm operating should be informed to the LA within the 3 months, and in a meantime a fresh license should to be obtained and the name of the firm with the change constitution. These are the very important condition, that is any change in the constitution of the firm is the members operating should be informed to the LA. Then the precaution of the prescribed by the LA for the storage of the schedule C and C1 drug should be observed. Very important that the storage condition of a biological product, it should be observed. For the sale of additional category of a drug listed in the schedule C and C1 and those specified in schedule C and C1 excluding X, the licensee must be take prior permission to the LA. In case of pharmacy, all the requirement prescribed in Schedule N must be fulfilled, and licensee allow the inspector to inspect the premise along with the register and records in the order to this act. Now, these are the conditions required for a general sale drug selling. Now, the next point and second point is the restricted license. A restricted license given in following cases: first, a dealer or person in respect to the drug whose sale does not require the supervision of a qualified person. These a main condition, that is a restricted license to the give to the person or dealer or in the respect of the drugs who shall does not require the supervision of qualified person. In exceptional cases for bona fide traveling agent to firm a dealing in a drugs, then to the vendor who purchased drug from a licensed dealer for the distributor in a separately populated then area where other channel is a distribution of a drug are not available. In the area there is a no supply of any drugs that will be provide the restricted license. These are the three types of the restricted license given in these cases. Then condition required for the restricted license for the licensing should be displayed in the prominent part of the permission open to the public, or in case of vendor it should be produced a demand by the inspector or other officer authorized in the state government in the behalf. Then the licensee should be deal only as such a drug as can be sold without the supervision of the qualified person. If the licensee or the vendor having no fixed place of a business, he should be buy drug only from such a dealer as may be specified in the license. Drug should be purchased from the duly licensed dealer or manufacturer. Then a drug should be their original conditioner container. It is a very important. Drug should be sold in their original container. Then the license should be compiled with the provision of the Drugs and Cosmetic Act and rules there under the force. The licensee must take adequate precaution for preserving the properties of a drugs while in a process and the drugs which have not be stored under the prescribed condition should not be sold. This condition does not apply to vendor. So here the topic will be end, that is the sale of drug. This for today's lecture. Now remaining or next point you will be start in next lecture. Today you will see about the retail sale, what are the general sale and restricted license. General sale, the license is granted to the person who have permission or premise for business and who has engaged a service of qualified person to supervise the sale of the drug and do the compounding and dispensing and various conditions for the general sale. Then restricted license, in three cases for a restricted license. First, dealer or person is a respect of a drug whose sale does not require the supervision of a qualified person. Second, in exceptional cases for bona fide traveling agent of a firm dealing in the drugs, and to the exceptional cases or to the vendor who was purchased drug from the licensed dealer for distribution in partially populated areas where other channel of the distribution of a drug are not available. Now these are the conditions required for the registered licenses, restricted licenses. In that you see about the license should be displayed in prominent place. The licensee should be deal only in such a drug as can be sold without the supervision of qualified person. That are the drugs are OTC. Then if the license are vendor having no fixed place of a business, then drugs should be purchased from duly licensed dealer or manufacturer. Drugs should be sold in their original container. This is very important. The license should be compiled with the provision of the drugs and cosmetics and rule there under in force. And last, the licensee must take adequate precaution for preserving the properties of the drugs while the is possession and the drug while which have not been stored under the prescribed condition should not be sold. The condition does not apply to the vendor. Now next lecture you will see about the manufacturing and packaging of a drug in detail. So this is for the main part of a sale of drug. Sale is the process of a passes of any article from the manufacturer to the consumer, and in this process drug passes from manufacturer to the stockist. Stockist is the agent, then stockist to the shopkeeper, that is vendor, and vendor to the vendor through drug goes to the directly consumer. This process is the selling of a drug. In that you see about wholesale of drug and retail sale of a drug. In wholesale, drug passes from stockist to the shopkeeper, and retail sale, in that shopkeeper to the consumer, there is a retail sale. In that retail sale you see about a general sale and restricted license. So this for the sale of drugs. Thank you.